Alright guys, we got a GMC Sierra right here, 3.6. We're gonna torque this one bolt left to spec. I got this kit right here. This is Lisle's automotive kit. This thing is the best. Check it out. Alright, so you can set this up whatever you want. Make sure it's stationary. So there you go. So you can see that our marks right here, it's on 70. We had to bottom it out to 0. So you turn this knob right there, dial it in to 0 like that. There you go. So we're just gonna quickly torque it to spec. So this GMC Sierra 3.6 is torque spec on this head bolt is 150 degree. Alright, there you go guys, 150 degree right there. This tool is awesome. It's amazing. Not bad.